In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact in Klaviyo. Whether you're cleaning up test profiles, removing outdated contacts, or just trying to keep your account organized, knowing how to properly remove a contact from a list is really important. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along in your own account. First, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, you want to go to the section labeled Lists and Segments. This is where all of your contact lists and dynamic segments are stored, and it's the place you'll work from whenever you want to manage who's in which list. Once you're in Lists and Segments, you'll see a table of all the lists you've created. Take a moment to find the specific list that contains the contact you want to remove. This might be something like a main newsletter list, a test list, or any other list you use for your email flows. When you've found the right one, click on the list name to open it. Inside the list, you'll see the contacts associated with that list, usually displayed in a table with details like email address, phone number, and subscription status. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top of the table to quickly locate the contact you're looking for by typing part of their email or name. This makes things much easier if you're working with a large audience. Once you've located the correct contact in the list, look over to the far right side of their row. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu of actions you can take for that specific contact. From the options that appear, select Remove. Klaviyo may show you a confirmation prompt, just to make sure you really want to take this action. Confirm that you want to remove the contact from this list. After you confirm, the contact will be removed from that specific list. Keep in mind that this step only removes them from the list you're viewing, not necessarily from your entire Klaviyo account. This is useful if you simply don't want that person to be part of a particular campaign or list anymore, and that's all there is to it. By going to Lists and Segments, opening the right list, finding the contact, and using the 3-dot menu to remove them, you can quickly and safely manage your contacts in Klaviyo.